Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to animate text on CapCut. So let's get started. So first, let's import our video right here. So let's say this will be our background right here. So this is our background. And from here, we're going to add a text right here. So let's go and add a text right here. And let's input it right here. And from here, we're going to name this Japan, just like that. And from here, we can edit our text right here. So we can choose different styles. So let's say I want this one right here or this one right here. Yeah, this one. And after that, after you have modified your text into whatever you want, what you want to do next is simply click here on animation right here, click on it. And from here, we can see a lot of animations. So we can select whatever we want. So for example, I want this one right here. So when I click on it right here, then it would automatically be applied into my timeline, in the text in my timeline that I have selected right here. So let's play it and see how it goes. And as you can see, that is how it goes, just like that. And you can also change it right away and by selecting other effects right here. So let's say this one right here. And now it's now changed. It is now like this right here. Or you can just go here and you can just hover your mouse into the effects and you can see how it would go right there. So for the final effect, I would choose this one right here. And you also have the in, out, and loop effects. So for the out, you can select another one right here. So it would be placed right here in the timeline at the end of the text duration right here. So since we have selected this one, it is the in effect, so it will be prompted, or it will be put right here at the beginning of the text duration. So here in the out, it would be at the end, so it will be like this. So when we play our video, it would be like this now right here, and now the out effect, and just like that. And we could also have the loop if you'd want to, so it would be like this right here. So when we choose the loop, it would be doing that as long as the duration stands right there. So let's say this one right here. So when we play this video with all the effects that we have selected, it would be now like this, just like that. And that is basically how you can animate your text here in CapCut PC, depending on what you want right here. So I hope this video helped you out. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.